Your brand and your business is not for everyone, and that's a good thing. One of the usual business mistakes I see from other entrepreneurs is that they sell their products or their services to everyone. They're going too broad too fast. And I get it, kasi kapag nag-upisa ka pa lang, gusto mo ng reach, you want sales. But here's the problem. Vague marketing attracts vague interest. So what does that mean? If you're trying to sell everyone, you will be selling to no one. Kasi pag tinatry mong magbenta para sa lahat, no one will feel na, okay, I think para sa akin talaga tong product na to. Sa ingay at sa dami ng brands ngayon, you'll just be background noise. With the years of doing in business, I learned that the tighter the niche that you have, or if pumili ka lang ng isang target audience or target market na pwede mong mabentahan sa umpisa, mas nag-work siya. Kasi mas focused yung messaging mo, mas focused yung brand voice mo, mas focused yung aesthetics ng brand mo. If you really think about that particular target market for your service or your brand. One thing I really like doing in business is I write 3 pain points nung gusto kong or ng dream client ko. Ano ba yung ginugoogle nila? Ano yung mga problema nila? Ano yung mga kinakainis nila lately? Or ano ba yung mga pinapanood nila lately? And build your messaging around that. If you enjoyed this, follow for more.